What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to quickly talk about AMC with you guys. I wanted to talk about the short interest, what's going on with all of the price point of it, the movement, what's going to happen. Also talk about the fact that hedge funds could be getting, or they're getting margin calls, right? How that could really affect it, and what it really means. Does it mean something huge? And we'll get into that. So before I get started, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description, like my Discord link if you want to sign up for that. That is an amazing group of people, so definitely check that out. Or my MP Shorts channel, which I just created last week, and we're up to 700 subscribers. So I really appreciate anybody that did subscribe, even the people that haven't subscribed, that haven't seen my channel before. Thank you for doing so. But I wanted to talk about AMC here. And first, let's just quickly talk about the margin situation. So people are saying that, if hedge funds start to really get these margin calls, what's going to happen? Well, there's a couple of things, right? You could see them, the stock price end up increasing, but margin is only a portion of what they could have out for these positions, right? It's based on, how much money they have in the hedge fund, right? If they end up having or getting these margin calls and they have like maybe 10% in margin, that's not even close to an impact, really. Yes, it is a little bit of an impact, but it's not going to be a crazy impact that we expected. Like, oh, all of their shares are getting liquidated. No, that's not the case. It's only going to be the case that it's only going to be the part that's actually on margin. So don't think that this is going to be a huge move. It could be something that moves a little bit, but I don't want this to be another, quad witching day, or, the fact that we have 2 billion shorted shares out there. I don't want this to be false information that comes out. I want this to be, serious information that we talk about. And it's nothing on anybody, because obviously everybody can get information, and, it comes across your desk in a weird way, or you see it, or it's told to you in a weird way, and I just don't want to overhype things. I never want to overhype things. I'm a person that's very realistic in every sense of the word, really. I'm very realistic, and I'm looking for, either $15 here or $100 there. I'm never looking to push the price to $2,000 or $3,000. You can make the case for it and understand the case for it. It's great to understand how it could possibly get there, but I don't think I want to overhype anything. I want to give you guys real information. So that's where I am with the margin information. I still want to see how this could fully affect. I just want to see them cover everything, not just the margin calls, not just the fact that they are getting all of these positions pulled back from them, and they're going to have to cover a lot of their shares. I understand that, that's great, but I want to see everything, get covered. But I don't know at what point we'll be able to see that. So anyways, let's talk about AMC a little bit. We can look at this short volume information on Fintel. I don't think Fintel really gives us accurate data, but I have to go through it to see what they're reporting. 21% short volume ratio, 3.3 million short shares available, which is huge, as of 3 hours ago. So I don't know how that's updated now, but 3.3 million shares of short shares available. We have 2.06 short borrow fee rate, and that's really low. So we're not seeing any really big numbers there besides this short shares available number of 3.3 million. So we can get into what the stock did. The stock really didn't move. It went up by 1%. It's good that we've seen it flat. And I said this yesterday, that we could possibly see a flat day, because Monday tends to be low volume, which we did see 37 million worth of volume versus the average volume of 171 million, which is basically nothing, right? We did see some pretty decent movement from, the open of $10.32 up to a high of $10.76. But it's not crazy movement. We didn't even see $1 worth of movement from high to low. So that's obviously not the best movement we could possibly get. But like I said, it was flat overall. We did see 1% increase, but either way, it was flat. In the after hours market, we're continuing to see it be flat for more hours, more minutes. And I understand exactly where they're coming from. I'm 100% on board there. I would love them to increase, but I'd rather it be flat than it decreasing quite a bit. So let's stay at that $10 mark. That's fine with me. There's a lot of people that are looking to buy in at this point, but if hedge funds are going to manipulate it, then they can continue to manipulate it. But as we look at this, it hit lows of $10.09 to where people said they did get in at a good price, and I believe them. My cost basis is $9.59. I'm currently up $183.96. Now, where do I see it going? Now, just to let you know, this is unpredictable. Another thing I want to point out is the fact that we do have a 4-day week. So really, we only have 3 more days of potential gains here. And I think we're going to see some pretty positive moves from here on out. I hope we don't see any more negative days, because things like GameStop really went negative at times. But you had other positions that were going negative, like Tesla, and ended up recovering a little bit. But yeah, I can tell you that I believe they're going to make some moves. You're going to see them at $11, see them at $12 this week. Hopefully get back up to the $14 mark. Hopefully we can see that 20% gain like we've seen before. But it just all depends, really. It really all depends what the hedge funds are going to do, if they're going to cover their short positions, if we're going to continue to buy in and raise that volume, because that volume is very low. If we're going to continue to hold, I believe so. So I think we could see some really good movement here, not just look for flat movement. Today, I believed it was going to be flat because it's Monday, right? Monday tends to be a down day. Sometimes you have those up days, and I'm happy for it, but a lot of times you're going to see a day to where it is flat. I did see a number of positions that were kind of flat. Obviously, I'm holding a lot of positions, but we can get into that in a separate video. But I do see them increasing. And like I said, it's hard to predict. So take this all with a grain of salt. Don't ever think that I know everything, because I could say that it's going to increase, but obviously it could go against me and decrease. I'm not going to say that it's going to get to 15 today or tomorrow. I'm going to say it could possibly get to these points, because all variables have to go in the right direction, in my opinion. So let me know what you think about AMC. I think, like I said, it could be something that definitely goes to $11 or $12 and could have the chance of really pushing up, depending how high of a day we see in the next 2 days or 3 days. So hopefully this does help you. You can't really get too much information on this because it's not predictable. So hopefully this does help you at all. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out my Discord link. It does help out the channel a ton. If you click that link, maybe sign up if you wanted to. It is $5, but there's a great group of people. Maybe check it out. If you don't want to go through with it, I believe you can check it out for the first maybe a week or so. And if you don't like it, then you can go ahead and leave. It's fine. I'm okay with that. I just want you to be able to engage with people if you are interested in stocks. So yeah, also check out my MP Shorts channel. That does help out my channel as well. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.